kaboom! There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom!
Today I want to look at an advanced grammar form. The use of this form is especially helpful when you want to sound more natural when you speak and to sound more like a native Korean speaker. Gille is added directly to a verb stem. Its basic meaning is because or since. This form is usually, though not always, used in first person. It also doesn't come at the end of a sentence because it joins two parts of a sentence together to show the reason for something. Let's look at a few examples. 머리가 아프길래 누웠어요. Since my head was hurting, I laid down. 날씨가 춥길래 창문을 닫았어요. Since the weather was cold, I closed the window. 준호 씨가 요리를 잘하길래 도와달라고 했어요. Because Junho is good at cooking, I asked him to help me.